Is your cough not going away even after medicines? Try this simple home remedy. You only need 5 ingredients: black pepper, ajwain, cardamom, ginger, and jaggery. Cook them together with jaggery and stir it. Take half a spoon in the morning and half a spoon at night with warm water. In just a few days, even old and stubborn cough can go away, whether it's a dry cough or cough with phlegm. This remedy works for both. If you like this tip, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health hacks.